How to solve 7 power of x plus 3 is equal to 200. Find the value of x. At first, here we apply this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So, 7 power of x plus 3 is same as 7 power x times 7 power 3 is equal to 200. In the next step, we have 7 power x times 7 power 3 is same as 343 is equal to 200. Now divided by 343 in both sides. So this 343 will be cancelled. So we have 7 power x is equal to 200 over 343. In the next step, we apply log in both sides. So log of 7 power x is equal to log of 200 over 343. Now here we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 7 is equal to, here we apply this formula, log of a over b is equal to log a minus log b. So it will so log of 200 over 343 is same as log of 200 minus log of 343. In the next step, we have x log 7 is equal to log of 200 is same as log of 8 times 25 minus log of 343 is same as here minus log of 343 is same as log of 7 power 3. In the next step, we have x log 7 is equal to log of 8 times 25. So I apply this formula, log of 8 times b is equal to log a plus log b. So log of 8 times 25 is same as log 8 plus log 25 minus this power 3 will move to the base, so it will be 3 log 7. So it will be 3 log 7. In the next step, we divided by log 7 in both sides. Divided by log 7. So this log 7 will be cancelled. So we have x will be equal to this divided by this, so it can be written as log 8 of log 7 plus log 25 of log 7 minus 3 log 7 of log 7. So this log 7 will be cancelled. In the next step, we have x is equal to log 8 is same as log 2 power 3 of log 7, then plus log 25 is same as log 5 power 2 of log 7 minus 3. In the next step, we have x will be equal to this power 3 will move to the base, so it will be 3 log 2 of log 7 plus this power 2 will move to the base, so it will be 2 log 5 of log 7 minus 3. In the next step, we have x is equal to 3, then log 2 of log 7 is same as log 2 base 7 plus here 2 times log 5 of log 7 is same as log 5 base 7 minus 3. So this is the value of x. This is our final answer. Now to check our equation, 7 power of x plus 3 is equal to 200. Now 7 power of x, that means the value of x is 3 log 2 base 7 plus 2 log 5 base 7 minus 3. Is it equal to 200? Now here we apply exponential rule, so it will be 7 power of 3 log 2 base 7 is same as log 2 power 3, that means 8 base of 7 times 7 power of 2 log 5 base 7 is same as log 5 power 2, that means 25, 5 power 2, that means 25 base of 7. Here 7 power x, that means 7 power this, and that means the value of x, then here plus 3, so here plus 3, so this minus 3, this plus 3 will be cancelled. Then is it equal to 200? In the next step, 7 power of log 8 base 7, that means it will be 8 times 7 power of log 25 base 7, that means it will be 25. 7 power of log 25 base 7, that means 25 is equal to 200. So 8 multiplied by 25, that means 200. So of course 200 is equal to 200. So left side is equal to right side.
How to solve 4 to the power 25 plus 4 to the power 25 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 25, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 25 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 25 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 25, that means 50 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 50 plus 1, that means 51. So 2 to the power 51 is the correct answer.